Hey, gorgeous CEOs, welcome back to another episode of the Witsmack Show. And today I want to talk about how you can make your offer messaging much more tangible than what it is right now. So, it doesn't matter if you're in an intangible niche or in a tangible niche, tangibility means something or a result that your audience can see in their daily life, right? Something that they can see or they can have, something that they are looking out a solution for. It has to be tangible. Whether you are in an intangible niche, so for example, you are in a mindset niche or something that doesn't have a tangible result, so something like income results or something like that, it doesn't have that kind of thing, and you feel like that is why people aren't buying. That is not the reason why people aren't buying. Okay, so we can make, even if you're in an intangible niche, we can make the transformation of your offer, the messaging of your offer, more tangible by doing what I'm going to teach you today in this podcast episode. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you a few things that a lot of people try on that doesn't work at all. So if you want to sell out your high ticket offers, saying that your offer is a no brainer or asking people to join at the lowest price it's ever going to be will not get high end clients to buy from you. I also see a lot of rookie coaches teaching to sell your method as your offers messaging, and there's a lot of things wrong with it. When you sell your method is what people are not interested in, because people would lose their attention if you focus too much on selling your method, because this is something that they are not looking for, right? This is something that they are not looking for. So for example, if I talk about market research, they are not looking for how to do market research. They are looking for the result that they get out of doing that market research. So they don't even know whether or not they need market research. So talking about things that they don't even understand, or they don't even have any awareness around, or maybe if I talk about, you would get 5 visualization tips or techniques, right? If I'm selling um, visualization scripts or something like that, that is not going to get you to join my offer unless I talk about the transformation, which is why this is so important. So you end up wasting so much more time and the sales that you could have made talking about the transformation of your offer, which your high end clients are interested in. When you don't talk about transformation, you are losing a lot of sales. When you sell the method and not the transformation, you are losing a lot of sales. So imagine if I sell the method of how I help you do market research, right? So, for example, here's how I help you do effortless market research. Now, would that interest you? I'm guessing no. But what if I sell, here's how you make more sales by adding more specificity in your content? That would perk up your ears, right? Because what you actually need is to sell what they are looking out for, a solution, what they care about. They don't care about your process, they don't care about your method, which is why you want your offer messaging to be tangible. Yes, even if you're in an intangible niche, you can speak intangible language. Okay, so your method is not your messaging. I know that a lot of people teach that. A lot of rookie coaches teach you that this is your messaging, sell the method, because it will help you differentiate your offer from other offers out there. But people won't buy from you because of your method. They would buy because you're helping them reach a certain goal that they already have. The keyword is that they already have. Already is the keyword, something that they are already looking out for a solution. You want to sell what they want, not what they need. And this seems like a very common sense thing, or something that you might have heard so many times before. But this needs to be said, because I've seen this so many times that people get into this trap unknowingly, talking about the method, selling what they need instead of selling what they want, because you love your offer so much. You love the method that you've crafted, you love the results that the method brings them, but the method is not why your audience will buy. Especially if it's a high ticket program, people are not going to pay high ticket for some method. They would pay high ticket for the transformation that they already want. Already is the keyword, right? So you want to sell what they want, not what they need. The method is their need, You don't want to sell that. You want to sell what they want. So, for example, 5 weekly customized meditations to help your childhood traumas, to heal your childhood traumas, for example, right? I don't want to buy that. I don't feel like I need that as well, right? So, how do you turn that into tangible? Because this is not tangible. And when it's not tangible, people wouldn't feel the urge or they wouldn't feel activated to buy your offer. You want to make it tangible. So, here's a tip for you if you can't figure out how to make your messaging tangible. So, keep asking, so what, until your messaging is tangible. And I teach something called making your messaging SWOT proof inside Copy to Cash Academy. But let's look at this example: 5 weekly customized meditations to heal your childhood traumas. No one wants to buy that. But if we keep asking, so what, so what, so what, until it hits the ground, probably we would hit a point where people you would actually figure out something where people are like, yes, I want that, right? So the last point that you would get out of it is like, hit your next income level in business, right? So when you keep asking, so what to this, what helps? Like, what does it do? What does this 5 weekly customized meditations do? Ultimately, it helps you hit your next income level in business. Now, when you put that in your transformation statement of your offer, it will do the magic of attracting hungry high end clients who are ready to pay you high ticket. And this is just one step of the 4 step SWOT proofing method that makes your message tangible and attractive AF, helping you sell out your high ticket offers. So that is the thing that you need to do. Think about the content that you have created so far and see if you are inadvertently falling into this trap. So are you speaking about helping them reach a goal that they want, or are you speaking about the method that they need to go through? Is your messaging tangible, or is it selling the things that they don't even care about, like how to do market research? Or are you speaking about things that they are already looking for a solution? Or are you speaking about the things that they are not even aware that they have a problem around, that, or you are trying to solve a problem that they don't even know that they have a problem? If you've been making these mistakes in your content, it's time to shift your messaging. If you're looking for consistent high ticket sales in your business without burning out constantly, Copy to Cash is the place where you can join and you can learn all of it. Because as I said, this one step of making your messaging tangible is just one step of the 4 step SWOT proofing method that I teach you inside the Copy to Cash Academy. And it will give you a lot of insights. It will make your messaging so much more attractive AF, so much more something that people want to join, right? It makes a huge difference. Even just this one change, if you make that, it will make a huge difference in your messaging and in the number of people who are reaching out to you to want to join the program. So check out Copy to Cash Academy from the link in the show notes. And I hope that this has given you a lot of insights into how you can improve your messaging and marketing and how you can get more high ticket client inquiries into your DMs. So thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you next time.